Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and on this episode of Laura in the Kitchen, I want to show you how I make something so easy and simple but perfect for summer gatherings. They're my strawberries and cream parfaits. It's kind of a marriage between, well, it's kind of like strawberry cheesecake and strawberry shortcake in one. They're easy and simple, doesn't even require cooking if you take a little help from the store, which once in a while it's all good. It makes 12, which means you can serve a whole crowd really happily. And if you follow me on Instagram, which you should if you don't, you know that I entertain a lot. So I look for recipes. I try to make things that I can make in advance. That way I can really have a good time with my party guests instead of having to make something last minute. And these are fabulous, and they're individual servings, so it's just amazing. Their list of ingredients is short and sweet, but let me run you through it. Lots of fresh chopped strawberries. What I have here are some crushed graham crackers, granulated sugar, confectioner's sugar. This is a little bit of balsamic glaze, which I'll talk about in a minute, lemon, whipped topping, a vanilla extract, and you'll need some softened cream cheese and some pound cake. That is it. It is so good. You're gonna absolutely love it. First things first, let's work on our strawberries. Now I did take some help from the store and buy pound cake. We have a bakery in our grocery store, so they make a lot of fresh baked goods every day. So I took advantage of that. I'm gonna add a little bit of balsamic. Sounds odd, but a little bit of balsamic vinegar gives you a sweetness and also a bit of an edge of tartness to the strawberries, and some granulated sugar. And you're just gonna mix this together. Balsamic and strawberries are an absolute classic, so if this looks strange to you, just trust me when I tell you it is fabulous. And it's a little bit thicker than balsamic vinegar because I'm using a balsamic glaze that I brought back with me from Italy last time I was there, but feel free to use balsamic vinegar if that's what you have on hand. You can use other berries with this if you want to, or just strawberries, just blueberries, just raspberries, whatever. You do you. I will not judge. And if anybody does judge, kick them out. All right, now the cream cheese. It's important that the cream cheese is softened at room temperature because you need to be able to really get this nice and smooth. And I'm doing it by hand just because I can. Like I said, the cream cheese is soft, so I'm not really worried about it. And to this, I'm going to add powdered sugar, and I'm going to add the zest of a lemon and a drop of vanilla extract. Mix everything together, and then we fold in the whipped topping. You just take whipped topping, or you can also, I like to buy whipped topping in the freezer section because it holds up really well in the fridge, but you could also just whip some cream and you'll be good to go. I'm just going to fold this in. Once it's all folded, I'm going to place it in a resealable bag, and I'm just going to cut the tip off so it's nice round tips. It makes it easier to put into my containers. If you have a large one, fine. A small one will do. You just have to refill it. I ran out of big ones, so I'm just using small ones, but it is fine. I'm going to preheat it for something else, which you will see, but not today. So let me walk you through what I've already done. I put the cream in my bag, and I started kind of layering everything. You take some pound cake and you just kind of cut it to fit. I've also been snacking on the pound cake, don't mind me. You kind of just cut it to fit in there. And then you take a spoonful of your strawberry, maybe a little bit more, like that. And then this is when you add your cream. You can do 2 layers of cream if you want to. I don't, this is a single serving, so I think it's quite rich as it is, so I don't. But you can if you want to. Your life, you do you. On top of the cream, this is when you go in with the crunch, right? Which is the graham crackers. And I'm going to continue to do that. And then the last layer will be the strawberries. These are so good, you just don't even understand. And what happens is, the magic ingredient here is thyme. And I don't mean thyme as in an herb, I mean thyme as in time they spend in the fridge. Because what happens is, the strawberries will give out their juices plus the juice from the balsamic and sugar, and it just makes the pound cake so fantastic. The graham crackers soften because I'm going to add some strawberries on top of this. They soften, and therefore they become one with the cream, so that it's fantastic. And then just one small little bit of strawberries on there, like so, and then they just go into the fridge to cool completely. Now, to be honest, I'm gonna just leave you here because They're not gonna look any different, you know? But you know, when you do go to serve them, you wanna make sure that you don't skip that step. But you know me, I gotta have me some taste tests. So here's what I'm gonna do, because I can't help myself. I'm gonna make myself, before you go, I'm gonna make myself a little sandwich. You know what I'm saying? Like a little sandwich. I'm gonna take a little bit of pound cake. Remember, this is gonna get better and better as it sits in the fridge. You've got your cream. Gonna have a couple of little strawberries, like so. I want that sandwich. And a little cookie. That is so good. It literally tastes like a marriage between cheesecake and strawberry shortcake. Delicious, easy, perfect for a crowd, and I promise you, it will be an absolute crowd pleaser. Go to laurainthekitchen.com to get the written recipe. Hope you enjoy spending time with me. Make this recipe this weekend or next weekend or whenever, and follow me on Instagram if you don't, so that you can see me serve these to whoever comes around this weekend. Hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.